Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a Southern classic, crispy golden fried catfish. It is absolutely delicious. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Like this video for me if it was helpful, and let's jump right in. To begin, we have two beautiful catfish fillet right here. I'm going in with about 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Give that a quick shake. We're going to squeeze that on there. I'm going in with my seasoning. I'm using a little bit of onion and garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne, some oregano, salt. I'll leave everything below for you guys. Also, we have some hot sauce that we're going to pour in. Nice and spicy, you want that kick. We're going in with 2 large eggs. This is what's going to make it nice and crispy. I'm going to mix that in. Give that a mix just like this. And then I'm going in with my buttermilk. This is about 1 cup. I don't think I even need the whole cup. Just like this. Now I'm going to let this sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes, okay? Now let's work on the coating. I'm going in with 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, about 1/4 cup of cornstarch to make it nice and crunchy and crispy, of course. And we're going to add some seasoning in. I have chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt. Give that a mix until everything is nicely combined. Now it's time to fry the fish. I have my oil preheating on 350. I'm going in, remove the fish from the wet batter. Now I'm going to give it a shake a little bit just to remove any excess of that, mixture. I'm going to place it into my cornmeal and flour, and I'm going to cover it with the flour just like this. Pat it in. Want a nice breading on the fish. You want it to be nice and crispy. Make sure every part of the fish is nicely covered. And then you're going to place that into your hot oil. Now give it a little shake just like this. Y'all see this already? This is what's going to give you that nice crispy texture, and place it in. Just like this. It's time to flip the fish over. I'm going to carefully flip it over. There you go. It is time to remove my fish. It's looking good. We're going to transfer it to this rack right here so it can cool down. You don't want to place it over. Oh, that looks good. You don't want to place it over a paper towel. It's going to be soaking and swimming in the, you don't want that. So now I'm going to fry the other fillet and just carefully place that in. And we're gonna let it cook for about 3 minutes, then remove, set aside. All right guys, it's time to flip this one over. I'm going to carefully flip it over. There you go. I'm gonna let it go for another minute, then we'll remove it and set it aside. It's time to remove this one. Looks crispy. Let's carefully remove that. Ooh, looking good. I'm gonna place it right here. To make the sauce, I have onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, and some cayenne with a little bit of brown sugar. We're going to add some of that hot oil right on top, like this. And then you're going to give it a quick mix, okay? And that is our sauce. Add a little bit more oil. There you go. Give it a quick mix. You can smell that aroma. Now you can add some hot sauce to this as well, but that's pretty much our sauce. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab that sauce and just dab it all over over my fish, just like this. Beautiful Nashville hot fried catfish. Just like this. All right. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. I am excited, okay? I know you see how delicious these catfish look. So let's pour some of that. Wow. Delicious. Every single bite. Stop it. This is too good. Got a little kick to it. A little sweetness from the brown sugar. Flavorful. So good. Listen, I really hope you try this recipe. It is an absolutely 10 out of 10 recipe. So flavorful, so good, has the perfect amount of flavor, okay? Hope you enjoy it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. Also share this video with a friend. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.